What is up, mga peeps? We were looking for any value meal that is less than $10. So that already, when you say value meal, that includes drinks, fries, and then a burger or a sandwich. Eventually, we found Burger King, and they have this $8 meal. So they have that sandwich, fries, and then drinks. Dollar King. We are now at Burger King. So they have this stretcher dollar meal, and it's worth $8, and we will try that one right now. So this is their $8 meal. So we bought two meals. One is the cheeseburger, long cheeseburger, and then the other one is the chicken sandwich. So it costs around $8 each. Then they have the fries, and then they have the drinks. So all of these are all $16 or so. But two $8, $16 is worth it. So one value meal is just less than $10. So it's really worth it now, yeah. And it is in Burger King in Canada. So it's in Halifax, also in Yonge Street. So there are a lot of Burger Kings here in Halifax. And let's open this one and see what kind of sandwich they serve here. So this is the chicken sandwich. You are going to open it, have the lettuce, and then the meat. It has the mayo as well. Then this is the cheeseburger. Oh, okay. So this is how your dollar is stretched. On this cheeseburger, there are two patties, and then what's inside is the cheese, and then the pickles and ketchup inside. And this is your $8. Again, this is your $8 meal. Then this is your fries. So what could you ask for is just for $8? So let's try this in. Let's just begin. So worth it. That was a good $8 meal at Burger King. So that value meal is such a value. So I recommend that kind of value meal. $8, one long sandwich, one set of fries, and unlimited pop or soft drinks.